tired of spending money on toilet paper. This classic 3.0 bidet from Tushy changed that. Yeah, the pressure on this thing is no joke, but after actually using it, here's the real story. This is the Tushy Classic 3.0, and I've been using it for about a month. Here's what actually matters if you're thinking about getting one. The installation was pretty easy. We'll show y'all a time lapse on how it was. After this time lapse, I will show you something that you got to keep in mind. Your experience may vary, but this is one problem I had. There's only one problem I have with the installation, and I'll show y'all right now. These screws that I have on the toilet seat were a little too short, so I had to take out the little rubber part out so I can get that little extra length. This is the nut on the back or on the bottom. As y'all can see, there's no thread showing. It's really holding on by thread, quite literally. I actually stripped one trying to put it on there. Like I said, it's barely holding on, but what I had to do is I flipped the nut around. So right now they're upside down. Just doing a job for now. I do got some new longer screws on order, so I'll be putting those on. So actually using the bidet, how is it? First, this is the part you get right here. You get a couple hoses and fittings. But you got pressure off, bum wash, and nozzle wash. And right here you got this little lever. It moves that little nozzle back and forward. The nozzle wash, take that way, and it washes the nozzle. Then you got your pressure off. This thing, here, I'll do it once. You obviously can just do a little bit. If you go slow enough, see, it's like this thing is far. I gotta go clean that now, but you can adjust the pressure right here. You get this fitting. This is the original line right here that went straight into the toilet. You get this hose that goes from the fitting to the tushy at the bottom. And it's pretty simple, honestly. It's cold water. You can adjust it side to side, back and forward. I actually broke this off when I was trying to remove the actual seat the first time. But as you can see, you can move it. It's got little teeth right here. You can move this left and right as well as this side. And it's got notches down there where it goes back and forward. When you turn the pressure on, this comes down. Do I dare grab it? I do. And that's what sprays. The first time I used this, the experience was quite shocking, honestly. It's a little weird, I'm not gonna lie. I started off slow, turning the knob, and I didn't go slow enough. Let's say that. It was an experience. I honestly, I just puckered up. I was like, whoa. But like I said, you get used to it pretty quick. And then the little lever on the side where you adjust the nozzle angle, I was using that. I was like, okay, cool. After like the second or third use, I was like, okay. It cleans very well. And then you just grab some toilet paper and your butt's gonna be damp. So just pat it down, dry it up, make sure you got everything. And that's it. You pretty much just wipe once. I'd say the pros and cons of having the bidet is the pros, you use a lot less toilet paper. Let me tell you, I've been saving a lot on toilet paper. I don't go through toilet paper rolls at all no more. You don't really need toilet paper. Like I said, the toilet paper is just there to, help you pat and dry. A real well job at cleaning your bum. Now the con would be you still gotta use toilet paper to pat yourself dry to make sure you got everything. You have a wet bum. Also, the water is pretty cold. So what I'm doing next is I'm trying out a new bidet. That's how good it is that I'm about to get another one with more features. I want to use it for like a month or so before I put out the review. So just be on the lookout for that if you want to see the other bidet with more features. Now the verdict is having a bidet worth it? I don't know how I went years without using one. I can't go back to a normal toilet. I think I'm gonna have a bidet for the rest of my life. I mean, that's how life changing it is. It is amazing. How did I go without a bidet? Link to this bidet will be in the description if you want to check it out. If this helped you out, consider subscribing. I have new reviews every Monday. And if you like the video, drop a like for me. That lets me know that reviews like this help out. And if you have any questions on the bidet, let me know in the comments. I'll try to answer all the questions I can. I'm honestly here to help y'all. I thank y'all for watching the video. Stay tuned for more reviews. Thank y'all again.